Welcome back to my new video. My dear technician, the video is finally out. Check this out. Let me turn on the phone and show you something. My dear technician, this is the new model of itel phone. Check this out. Please wait. I want the phone to finish booting. Check this out. My dear technician, let me plug charger and show you something. Check this out. Please wait. Check this out. You can see the phone is charging. Please wait. I want the error message to pop up. I want the error message to show so that you guys will see. And I will show you how to fix it. Very simple. Very, very simple. My dear technician, please wait. Please wait. I want the error message to show. Please wait. My dear technician, please wait. Please wait. Please. I don't want to fast forward this video. I want you guys to see everything. Check this out. My dear technician, the error message shows I mistakenly cancel it. Don't worry. Let me unplug charger and plug again so that you guys will see. Check this out. Let me plug charger again. Check this out. My dear technician, this is the problem. Battery low, temperature do not charge. My dear technician, so this is the problem of this phone. Check this out. The owner of this phone complained this to me, that this phone shows battery low, temperature. My dear technician, to fix this issue is very, very simple. Check this out. It's going to show again, battery low, temperature do not charge. My dear technician, to fix this issue, like I said before, is very, very simple. You don't need to do a whole lot of things. You don't need to connect wire. You don't need to do jumper. You don't need to do this or do that. My dear technician, just a resistor and you fix it. Check this out. Check this out. This is the resistor I will use to fix this. Check the number on the resistor. The number on the resistor is 511. So this is the resistor I will use to fix this issue. It's very, very simple. My dear technician, I will connect one side to the ground and I will connect one side to the NTC. Let me show you. It's very simple. No time wasted. My dear technician, as you can see, this phone is new. They have not opened this phone before. I am the first person that opened this phone. My dear technician, it's very simple to do this. Check this out. Check this out. I'm setting the resistor so that I'll be able to lead. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, check this out. Take your time to do this. Apply lead. Take your time to do this, my dear technician. Please do not rush. Take your time to do this. I want you guys to see the magic. I want you guys to see the magic. I want you guys to see the magic. Check this out. No need to connect a jumper. No need to connect all those wires, this and that. My dear technician, you don't need to, look for batteries that will match the phone. With this method, this phone will accept any battery you put. I mean, this phone will accept even take any battery that you put. Okay, so you don't need to stress yourself. So this is the simplest method that you can use and fix this issue forever and ever. Guys, this is simple and easy. Okay, now I'm done. If you have any question, like I said, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, please wait so that I will test it for you guys to see the magic. My dear technician, it works like magic. I work phone like magic. My dear technician, I work phone like magic. It works like magic. Check this out. The phone is new. You can see that the phone is new. Check this out. First of all, I turn on the phone. I want you guys to see that it works 100%. You don't need to buy different batteries, buy this, buy that. Please don't waste money. Don't waste money. Check this out. Let me plug charger. Check this out. Please wait. I want you guys to see the magic. I will not forward this video. I want you guys to see the magic. I will wait for a very long time. I want you guys to see the proof that it works. It works 100%. It works, my dear technician. It works. Please wait. Please wait. Don't skip this video. Please, I want you guys to see the proof so that you will know that I can repair phone. Okay? My dear technician, I want to tell you something. Please pay attention. You see this method that I'm showing you. This is one of the best methods that you can use to fix charging issue, low battery. Do not charge this or that, this or that. Okay, my dear technician, fix error, error charging. Just use the resistor, fix error charging. My dear technician, this method is discovered by me. Okay, it's discovered by me. I did not watch anybody video online, then I later do the video here. No, this method is discovered by me. Okay, most of the time I used to spend a lot of time, to try things to see whether it's gonna work. My dear technician, check this out. You can see that the phone is still charging. The phone is still charging. No error again. No error again. I'm still waiting to see the error message. You can see no error again. I'm still waiting. Let me unplug the charger and plug again for you guys to see. Check this out. Let me plug again. I want you guys to see. You can see. I plug again. I'm still waiting for the error message. Error message, come. If you are strong, come. Error message, if you are strong, come. So that I will see. My dear technician, it works like magic. Okay? It's supposed to show error message, but you can see no error message. It works like magic. Like I said, very simple, 100% safe, no issues later. So do this for your customer and your customer will love you. I said do this for your customer and your customer will definitely love you. Check this out. I'm still waiting on the phone to show error message. Check this out. It's not showing. It's still charging. It's still charging. No error message. Check this out. My dear technician. I'm still waiting. I want you guys to see the proof so that you believe me that my videos are 100% working. Don't want to fast forward this video. For me, I don't like doing short videos. I take my time to do the video so that you will see and know that the thing works. Okay, I don't want to fast forward and later you say you cannot be able to do it, or it's fake video. No, this is 100% real video. Okay, so take your time to watch so that you can be able to fix it. My dear technician, the owner brought 2 battery, so I will remove this one and put another one. I want you guys to see the proof that this phone will charge any battery, not just one battery. I mean, not just original battery, but the phone will charge any other battery. Okay, so let me plug again and show you guys. Check this out. Still charging, no error. Check this out. It works like magic. Still charging, no error, no issue. Check this out. 100% working. Check this out. If you have any question, let me know. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Check this out, my dear technician. I'm still waiting for you guys to see the proof. that it works. That it works, my dear technician. I want you guys to see the proof. That's why I'm waiting for a very long time for you guys to see the proof. So this is another battery. So let me remove this one. Let me remove this one and put this one. My dear technician, the owner told me that it's because of the error message that makes him to board this battery. So check this out. It's because of the error message that makes him to board this battery. And you can see both the two batteries works, but before it was not working. But now he's going to charge this battery. You can see that this battery, the one I just put right now, is not the original one, it's the fake one. But now you can see it works. Check this out, and you can see it works. It works like magic. No error message. No error message. And I will wait for you guys to see. Please wait. Sorry for taking your time. Sorry, I want you guys to see the proof. That's why. You can see. If you have question, let me know. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, one thing about me is that, I'm not making mouth, okay? If you give me any phone to repair, okay, I'll take my time. Anything I remove or change, I'll do it the way, in fact, the way you brought the phone, like the way manufacturers build the phone, okay? Please wait. My dear technician, please wait. Please wait, please wait, please wait. My dear technician, it works. It's supposed to show error message since, but it's not showing, meaning that it works. It's 100% working. If you have any question, you're free to ask me in the comment section. If you have any question. My dear technician, check this out. It works like magic. It works like magic. It works like magic. My dear technician, if you have any question, like I said, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Make sure you try this out, fix it for your customer, and it's going to work like magic. Thank you. Bye-bye for now. I love you all.